Okay, good morning, morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Then we see interesting day setup. Very nice. If the jobs is super hot, probably lower. If the jobs is light, probably higher. I think it's going to be okay. Amazon, huge guide. I mean, ridiculously huge guide. Should take NVIDIA up if we start to go. Avago looks better today. ARM, maybe if the market were to rip, becomes interesting. Lilly, if it opens gaps through 884, can run hard. Bitcoin, MicroStrategy, and Coin don't even move anymore. But Afram is very nice. Afram looks like a runner, and that takes UPST up, and that's what we said. And people were asking yesterday in the room, saying, Sam, UPST is not moving after hours. I said it will. It just does. You learn this stuff over time, okay? Reddit really doing nothing. AppLovin trying to gap. Can it get through 391? If it does, probably gets to 400. Earnings next week. Tesla continues to go lower, a lot of trouble. They're going to start making some robots. He's putting all that out there. Who knows what happens? When it starts to move, it'll start to move. But I don't think it starts to move till this Austin and FSD. If he doesn't do that, that just means he's lying about the next thing. Okay? PDD up again on more bad news. Doesn't make any sense. SMCI looks like news coming next week. Looks like it really wants to run. Meta up again. It's up 16 days in a row. 16 days in a row. Unbelievable, right? Interesting. BABA flying up 4. China stocks moving again. Better. And that's what we see. How far the SPX go? Just remember you have 6121, you have 6155. 6155 is the JP Morgan collar, okay? So when you have this collar, that means they're not going to let it go over that. Now, you can't prevent everything, so if it gets over that, then you have a massive squeeze. Then they have to reevaluate one side of the collar, and a huge run could happen, okay? That's what we know. Okay? Interesting. So it's set up very nice, but got to see the action. Now, one of the things we've done this week is we're way smaller. Look at the hits. We hit NDX, but Sam only had 10. He didn't have 20. Okay? Only had 10. Okay? And then we hit Avago, very nice, but we only had 50. Okay, we didn't have a 200, right? I told you, one tenth size, 1/5 size on lots of this stuff because you don't know what's going on with the market. So you're up $1 million in January, you don't want to give $1 million back, so you cut it down. So worst case, maybe if the whole market would have went to shit this week, we would have been down 50 grand. But we're not. We're up because we hit the Avago, we hit this Lilly. How about the Lilly? 3 to 10, we sold them. Somebody sent me a message, Sam, it's finally breaking up. Why are you selling? It went from 3 to 10. Why am I selling? See, these comments tell me you haven't watched the video. Okay? And see, so maybe you do great in the market, and then for 2 months you don't make any money. That's okay. You didn't lose money. Okay? And then when it's ready again, you go big and you make money again. Okay? So this week was a kind of you couldn't tell if it's going to go way up, couldn't tell if it's going to go way down. Then you see. Okay? Right now, let me tell you, what a run yesterday. They came out with this run yesterday. They said this repo facility was going lower, didn't have a lot of money. But let me tell you, what if they start QE again? Then they bring rates way down. Then this market is at 6,800, 6,900, and everything runs, okay? Palantir, don't even know what to say. This Palantir, It's on a roll. I said 122. So certain things work by charts, and that one is working amazingly by charts. Other stuff doesn't work by charts, it works by news. And you have to understand this, and that's what happens. Vegas event, getting more people, going to be very, very wonderful. Sign up for it. Don't miss it. That's your one-time opportunity. Don't know if we'll do another one for a while. Give away too many secrets. You will learn the secrets of premium. We explain everything. Everything on why premiums is how you trade. We also teach you the ratio trading because that's working great right now. We told you yesterday NASDAQ can't go. It's a hard trade unless you buy very cheap, right? And you're only 50 points out or something because it was weak, okay? It was weak. Today, a little bit different, okay? Today, a little bit different. Then we see. Hold on a second. Okay, so SPX is down 6, NASDAQ's down 26. We'll see. Isn't it interesting? The NASDAQ was down after Google guided way up on CapEx, and we bought the NASDAQ and made a ton of money. I mean, why is the think about it? NASDAQ's down, Avago's up. Avago may spike to 241 just like that. You know, then we see. Okay, 2 minutes for this jobs. I think it comes in probably at about 150. I don't think it's going to be that hot. I don't think it's going to be that cold. Here's the thing. This is very interesting to me because if it comes in low, that means lower rates, and the market goes up. Okay, the market goes up. If it comes in way, way hot, they're going to say, oh, market's going to collapse, but I don't think so. I think just like you've seen yesterday, every single time the market goes down 50, 100 points, they want to buy it, and they buy it back. They just do, okay? And today China's up, so that helps the whole market on top of that, okay? What do we got? We got a minute to go. Let's see. Isn't it interesting? 60 points up on SPX, which is near the collar, is $1. Wow, isn't that crazy? Now, every time we get over 6,100, we crater. Let's see what this jobs is going to come in at. SPX is sitting there. Come on. Show us what you got. 6, -6 still. -5, -4. 30 seconds. Here we go. Interesting. Still nothing. 17. NASDAQ got better. Up 6. Jobs is fine. There we go. Up 4. Up 1. Looks like exactly nothing. Hold on. 143. Just what I thought. Right there. This is very bullish data, guys. SPX is down 12. I don't understand that. It's down 10. Hold on. They revised last month. So this month, we're down 13. That doesn't make sense. These guys, they just sell things for no freaking reason. This is a good report. I don't understand. It's lower than expected. Why is it bad? Oh, they're changing last month. This is dumb. This is a good report. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Vegas tonight, guys, if you're going to be in Vegas tonight. ASTS is moving too. Let's get going here. 2727. Beginning of the month. Jobs report is good. No compelling reason to be way down. Probably should go way up. But you have the 6,100. That's what it looked like it did. It popped to 6,100 and came back down. News is good. Okay, see if the NASDAQ goes. The NASDAQ should go on this. Let's see. Gonna wait, chill, and then see what happens, okay? You got 60, 91, 60, 91, 6100, 6121, 6152. Underneath 60, 72, 60, 50. Avago 238, 241, 252. Underneath 226. NVIDIA 131, 136. ARM 168, 171. CrowdStrike 426, 431. PDD 116 up, 109 down. UPSD 69.72. This thing could really spike today. SMCI looking better, 36.41. Lilly 8.84, 8.91. Meta 7.17, 7.22. Amazon doing nothing, no man's land, no compelling reason to play because they split. Why did they split 3 years ago? Because they have no clue. Let me tell you why they split. So Bezos could sell all his shares, and it still doesn't move. Okay? Okay, so just understand that. Baba 106, 113. Afram 71, 79. Carvana 271, 282. ASML not moving, so just wait. 772. Coin, no man's land. Earnings next week. Let's see. It finally moves. MicroStrategy doesn't move anymore. Can't play it. Goldman Sachs 661, 669 under 649. Reddit 221, 226 under 201. AppLovin trying to go 391, 400. Nasdaq 22,000 possible if the market rips. Microsoft doing nothing. Tesla 351, 406, and then 416. NOW, no man's land. Okay, that's what we know. That's what we know. NET, good news. That means it's good news for CrowdStrike. Fortnite, good news. That means it's good news for CrowdStrike and PanW. Elf Beauty was lower. Who else? That's everything. That's everything. That's everything. That's what we know. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.